Mr. Femi Adesina, we want to thank you very much for your time. Could you please speak to this issue, of course, that you are very well aware of, the arrest of Mr. Omoyele Sowore by the DSS, again, in court. Could you kindly speak to that? Many people are saying that, by all global standards, it's not just the way to go, it's debasing to the image of Nigeria and consequently kind of flouting or debasing the human rights quotient of the nation. What's your take?
Well, it depends on what is the myth or what is the concocted story and what is the reality. We have had a concocted story with concocted video or with incomplete video, and then the DSS has come out to give its own perspective. I think that then gives us a fairly balanced picture. It still would decide on the predilection of people what to believe. But if you are fair-minded, you are balanced, you are neutral, I'm sure you have a balanced perspective of what happened. As far as I'm concerned, if you ask my opinion, I think what happened was not a desecration of the temple of justice as it has been portrayed, because the DSS has explained how things played out.
Just very quickly, Mr. Adesina, you heard Mr. Femi Falana in all of the videos saying that he had to speak to the DSS officials and tell them, you cannot arrest someone inside a courtroom. In other words, they wanted to do that. Definitely, that would have derogated, some image, in your opinion. What do you think? You're a journalist. You can also give us some perspectives.
Falana is not a neutral party. We know the side where he belongs to in this matter. So therefore, his opinion will not count much. If you want a balanced perspective, you listen to him, you listen to the DSS, and you can come to what is a fairly balanced perspective of what has happened. Mr. Falana is an interested party in this. So I won't say his words 100%.
All right, just one more thing, Mr. Adesina. You have seen the response of a lot of Nigerians across social media and conventional media. Dr. Alobo was just giving his perspective. And from what we are seeing so far, a lot of Nigerians are not happy with this development. What do you have to say to Nigerians on this?
I don't particularly agree with you. When you say a lot of Nigerians, you know that all this noise may be coming from less than 100,000 Nigerians. And the noise will be so loud that you think it's the whole country. It's a country of 198 million people. When 100,000 are making noise in the media, both social and traditional, now you think the whole country is in an uproar. There are millions and millions and millions of people who are not bothered. Millions and millions of people who understand what the issues are. So you can't just take the opinion of a vocal minority and you then conclude that the country is in an uproar. That is not correct.